Imagine a group of friends trying to order pizza. Everyone shouts out their favorite topping, but they can't place the order until most of them agree on the same one. If a person insists on pineapple, but the rest agree on cheese, the order will be cheese. That's how consensus works in blockchain. The group decides together and the majority rules. Hi, I am Satish Choudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms with Satish. In our last episode, we talked about hashing, the digital fingerprint that proves data has not been changed. Today, we'll look at consensus, the system that makes thousands of computers agree on what's true, even when no one is in charge. Now you might wonder, how do these computers actually agree? They don't just shout out answers like friends ordering pizza. They use rules based on maths. Every transaction is checked using a digital signature which proves who sent it and the history of the previous blocks. Once enough computers confirm that everything matches, the system locks it in. This process is called a consensus mechanism. Different blockchains use different methods like proof of work, where computers solve puzzles, or proof of stake, where those who own tokens help validate. But the goal is always the same, to make sure everyone's copy of the blockchain matches before it's updated. For kids, imagine a group playing a board game. One child tries to move 5 steps when the dice shows only 3. The rest of the players stop them and say, "That's not right." The group's agreement on the rule keeps the game fair. Blockchain consensus works the same way. Everyone checks and only what the group accepts go forward. In real life, consensus powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, where it prevents double spending. It is used in supply chain where dishonest entries are rejected by the majority. And even in digital voting system, consensus ensures that only valid votes are counted and everyone sees the same result. So in simple terms, consensus is the group agreement that keeps blockchain honest. It is the vote, the safeguard, the reason thousands of computers can trust each other without a boss in charge. In our next episode, we'll explore mining, the puzzle solving race that secures the blockchain and rewards those who help maintain it. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.